Kita nyo lahat ng yan. Di sa akin yan. What's up, Tugs? It's that urban guy again. Today we'll check if we can go to Honda Big Bikes Guanzon along Marcos Highway. It's our first time to do our checkup. I got this bike in July and it's been about 3 months already, and I'm on my 517 kilometers. When I got this, sabi nila, sir, let's do 500 kilometer checkup. Sabi nila, mabilis lang yan, sir. It will just take you about a month for you to reach that 500 kilometer mark. Pero nung nasa Manila pa lang ako, hindi naman ako ganun kadalas mag-ride because of work schedule. So it took me 3 months before ko nakuha yung 500 kilometers. Now, gusto ko sana mag-ride farther outside the city kasi may nakita ako someone from Baguio was able to go to Ambuklao. The thing is, I said na before I made that decision, before I go to Ambuklao, before I do that long ride, I think better if I have my motorcycle checked first. Hindi ako nagpa-schedule sa Honda. Pupunta lang ako doon. Check natin kung makakasingit ako, kung i-allow nila or kailangan ko magpa-schedule. Sana naman makasingit, di ba? Para at least sa weekend mas makapag long ride ako. Another thing is, I think as a newbie rider, it will be helpful for me if you guys can let me know on the comment section below. How do you usually prepare for long rides? Ano yung mga checklist nyo? Items that you need to tick off first before you go on a long ride. To give you also a background, no? One reason why I made that decision to get Honda Rebel 500 as my first big bike is accessibility ng service center. When I was planning to get my first big bike, I already know that we're moving to Baguio. Having said that, inisip ko, if I'm gonna get a big bike, for sure that will require regular check-up and service. With that in mind, inisip ko, ano rin ba sa mga motorcycle brands ang merong service center sa pupuntahan ko, sa lilipatan ko. Before that, ito muna yung mga motorcycles na kinonsider ko. Number 1, SR 700. Number 2 is Honda Rebel. Those are the 2 options that I have in mind nung kinoconsider ko. Yamaha Volt. Those are the 3 options na kinoconsider ko nung bibili ako ng big bike. Alin dito yung hindi ako mahahassle magpa-service, lalo na kung lilipat ako ng Baguio. Alam ko walang service center ang Yamaha around Baguio, so naging clear winner ang Honda Rebel 500 kasi meron silang recently opened service center along Marcos Highway. So now, punta tayo sa service center na yon. Tignan natin kung maraming nagpapaservice. Sana naman wala masyado para makasingit ako ngayon. You guys, can you tell me how often do you take your motorcycle to the service center? Ano yung mga usual kilometer check nyo? Yan, may Honda. There, may Suzuki pala, may Suzuki service center dito. That I didn't know. Yan o, kita nyo yan. Pero hindi yan yung Honda pupuntahan natin. Pupuntahan natin Honda dito, after Shell. Tingnan natin kung makakasingit tayo ng service dyan. And I hope bukas. Hate na hate ko rin pala yung mga humaharang ng kalsada na ganyan, no? Pucha naman, friends. Paano naman tayo sisingit dyan? Hindi na naman successful. Pucha, every time na may lakad ako, hindi nagiging successful, Alright! Sabi nila, yung mga bata nila doon sa service center nila sa Honda Big Bikes, naka-off ngayong araw na to. Maalas naman, no? Hindi ko naman daw kailangan magpa-schedule. walk in. First come, first serve for sure. Pero usually they're open from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. So sige, let's try going back there tomorrow. If not, sa Friday. So for now, since hindi tayo makapagpa-service, ikot lang muna tayo around Baguio. Let's try to explore new routes. Let's go here. This is called Happy Hollow Land Road. I hope this will lead me somewhere. Ang alam ko, ang end nito is Baguio Country Club na. So let's see. yung dulo niya, the Country Club Road. If you're coming from Cannon Road, go through Lawakan Road, and then there is a street there, the Happy Hollows Road. Ang dulo ng Happy Hollow Road is here, Baguio Country Club Road. That's nice. It's a nice route, definitely worth passing through. Ganda ng view, ang ganda ng dadaanan, but warning lang, ingat pag dadaan kayo doon. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, if you want more, you can subscribe. If you want to say something, if you hate it, if ayaw nyo nag-i-English ako dito, sabihin nyo lang, comment on the comment box. It's a free world, my friends. It's your guy, that urban guy.